Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to start part 4th of exercise 4.1. Okay. In the previous video, we have discussed about first three parts of this exercise. In this part, we have to write the equations for the statements which are given. Okay. Like our first part is there. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. This I have told you yesterday also. The sum means plus, that means x plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay. We just have to write down the equations of this kind. Fine. In the second part, what is given? 2 subtracted from y is 8. Means y minus 2 gives us 8. Okay. In third part, 10 times a is 70. Okay. So 10 times a matlab 10 multiply a gives us 70. Okay. And 10 multiply a, how can we write it? 10a. So this is equal to 70. So next part, fourth is there. The number b divided by 5 gives 6. b divided by 5 gives 6. Okay. Have you understood this? b divided by a number 5 gives us 6. Okay. Next part is there. 3/4 of t is 15. 3/4 means 3 by 4 of t. This is equal to 15. Okay. Next part is there. 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. Means 7 times m plus 7 gives us 77. Fine. And next part is there. 7. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives us 4. Okay. So 1/4 of x you can write it like this: x by 4 minus 4 is equal to 4. 1 by 4x can be written as x by 4. Okay. Next 8th part is there. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, now we have to take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. Okay. We have to subtract 6 from 6 times of y. Okay. Next part is there. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30. Now see, we have to add 3 in which number? 1/3 of z means z by 3. You will get 30. I hope that this part is clear to you all. In the next part, these kind of statements are given to us. Okay, we have to write this into the statement form. Equations are given, then we have to write in the statement form. Okay, like this. If first statement is given, x plus 4 is equal to 90. Okay, so how would we write? The sum of number x and 4 gives us 9. Okay. So in the fifth part, first is given p plus 4 is equal to 15. Okay, so how would we write? The sum of numbers p and 4 is 15. Fine. Like this we have to write all the statements. In the next part, it is given m minus 7 is 3. Okay, so that means 7 subtracted from m gives us 3. Okay. In the same way, next part is there. 2m is equal to 7. Okay, so that means 2 times of m gives 7. Okay. In the same way, you can complete the next parts. Like fourth is there. M divided by 5 is equal to 3. Okay. So what we have to write here? The number m divided by 5 gives 3. Okay. Next, our fifth part is there. 3/5 of a number m, or you can write of m, gives 6. Okay. So the next is there. Sixth part. If you add 4 to 3 times of p, you get 25. Okay, in the same way you can complete the next parts. Fine. Next, our sixth part is given. Some statements are given. We have to set up the equations. Okay. First is there. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmeet has. That how many marbles Parmeet has? Irfan has 5 more than 7 marbles. Okay. 7, 5 times the marble more than that. Okay. Now see. Firstly, we will write here let number of marbles with Parmeet. Suppose it is x or m, you can take any of the variables. Okay. Now see, then according to statement, according to question, number of marbles with Irfan. So this is equal to 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble. So what we have to do, firstly we have to do 5 times of x, then we have to add 7 there. Okay, so that means number of marbles with Irfan is 5x plus 7. And the next condition is given that Irfan has 37 marbles. Okay, so that means this is equal to 37. So our final equation is 5x plus 7 is equal to 37. This is our answer. Okay. Next, in the second part here it is given Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. Now what is the age of Lakshmi's father? Age of Lakshmi's father is given 49 years. Okay, he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So firstly we will write here let age of Lakshmi, this is equal to y years. Then according to question, how would we write the statement? How would we write the age of Lakshmi's father? See, according to statement, it is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Okay, so that means 3 times of Lakshmi's age plus 4 years. Okay, then according to question, write down the statement. This is equal to 49 as it is given. Okay, so our equation is 3y plus 4 is equal to 49. I hope that this is clear to you. Okay, next part is given. The teacher tells the class that the higher marks scored by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. Okay, and the highest score is 87. So firstly we will write here highest score is equal to 87. Here we will write let lowest score. See, we don't know about the lowest score, so we will take it as L. Okay, then according to question, what is given the highest score? So this is equal to twice the lowest marks plus 7, means twice of this plus 7. Okay, this is equal to 87 as it is already given to you. Okay, so our equation is, what equation you will get here? 2L plus 7 is equal to 87. Fine. Like in the next statement, it is given fourth part. In an isosceles triangle, yes, what is an isosceles triangle? In which two sides are equal and according to that the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, the vertex angle is twice either the base angle. See, this is the base, so that means these two are the base angles. Okay, let the base angle be B in degrees. So here we will write let base angle is equal to B degree. Okay, here we will write here A, B, C. Okay, now one angle is B degree, so that means this is also B degree. Then according to statement, what is given? That vertex angle. See, this angle is the vertex angle. This is given as 2 times of this. So this is 2B degree. So here we will write then vertex angle is equal to 2B degree. Okay, now see, we know that according to the property of triangle, sum of, here we will write angle sum property. sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so that means b degree plus 2 times of b degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so that means here it is 1b and 2b. Okay, so that means 1 plus 2 it's 4. So here it is 4b degree is equal to 180 degree, and equation becomes 4b is equal to 180. So this is our equation. Okay, I hope that it is clear to you all. Okay, everything is visible to you. So here your exercise is completed. Thank you so much.